one of the more useful tools on SU Learning is going to be the sharing cart. This is usually in the classes, but if it's a brand new class or you're getting it and you don't find it, usually it'll be in this right sidebar that can open and close. If you don't have it there, what you're going to do is you're going to click add a block. And you have a bunch of different options here. So what we're going to go is all the way down to the bottom and add sharing carts. What this is going to do is going to give you this sharing cart block here. And you'll notice that on your course, there's going to be these little baskets next to each of the activity that's eligible or can be added to a sharing cart. So what a sharing cart is basically a copy and paste. You can copy something from one of your previous classes, a master course, a workspace, whatever it might be. It will be shared to your account's sharing cart. And then you'll have this item, these activities here that you can then just add into this class. So instead of having to make it all over again, you can move items one by one if restoring or importing the whole class is not what you want to do. Very simple to use. So if you want to add something to the sharing cart, what you're going to do is first make sure your edit mode is on. Make sure you have the sharing cart block, which you can confirm by checking for the block or seeing if they have these little shopping baskets. And so say here's a link to a book. If I wanted to add this to a sharing cart to put it in another class, what I'll do is click here, copy to sharing cart. I'll confirm. And now I see here healthcare analytics for quality and performance improvement, healthcare analytics for ... So now if you have items in your sharing cart, you can delete it by clicking the trash can, which lets you remove the item from your sharing cart so you're not carrying too much stuff. So feel free to delete whatever you want. You can copy a full section to the sharing cart. Here you decide if you want to do user data if you're using these things, but you click confirm. You'll notice here now we have this first section from this class here, or you can add an activity, which we did with the book. Now to add the stuff back into the class, what you're going to do is here in the sharing cart, you'll notice these other icons and there's this copy icon, this duplicate. So what you'll do is if you want to add this to the class, you'll click here and then you'll see these little arrows pop down and you just click where you want it to go. It'll give you some options. Say in this case, you want to overwrite the section. And what this will do is now we see this section was copied exactly down here for the sharing cart. So you can do it for sections in total. If you want to add a topic and copy a section, you could say, I don't need this. Say this was week 2. You can delete this week if it's no good for you, and then add a new section and copy this in. Or you can do item by item. So in this case, let's just add this book again. You click on the copy paste and you'll see the same thing, a little arrow showing which module you want to put it in. And then you can put it down into that section. And it's as simple as kind of grabbing it and just moving it up to wherever you want to put it. But the sharing cart is very useful, very powerful, makes creating these courses a lot easier, especially if you're going into those single items and you don't want to have to make it all over again. But again, great tool. Hopefully you guys find a good use for it.